Hi Tony, this is Garrett Kolsick at Taylor & Son Chevrolet in Sandpoint, Idaho. Today I'll be providing you with a walk-around video of our 2007 Ram 3500 Cummins diesel. This truck comes in trade. It's got mostly highway miles on it. I've walked around the truck prior to the video and the body is exceptionally straight. There's no dents or dings or scratches in any of the panels. It does have an aftermarket front bumper on it, as you can see here. There's a little bit of rust and corrosion on the undercarriage, and I will do a little more detailed look there. But overall, a pretty straight truck. Down into the wheel wells here, you can see there's a bit of corrosion and rust there, which is pretty normal for our area. We have some pretty hard winters. Tires are in good shape. Wheels are clean. The windshield is free of any chips or cracks. The interior is in very good shape. No pet odor, and it's never been smoked in. It smells very good. Seats are in good shape. A little wear and tear here. Going to the back seat here. This being a mega cab, you have the reclining rear seat. Again, in very good shape. Set of all-weather liners. Go ahead and pop the hood for you here.